Var hoisting, because var declarations are processed before any code is executed. Declaring a variable anywhere in the code is equivalent to declaring it at the top. This also means that a variable can appear to be used before it's declared. This behavior is called hoisting, as it appears that the variable declaration is moved to the top of the function or global code. And here they give us an example. So we have blah is assigned the number 2, and then we have the var statement declaration, and we are declaring this variable name blah. So pretty much we're doing it backwards, but it works. So we can go to the Chrome developer tools, Control Shift I, and then we paste it. And yeah, you can just call blah here, and it's gonna 2. So this is implicitly understood as the var statement declaration creates this variable or declares this variable name blah. We put semicolon, and then we have the variable blah is assigned the number 2. So we can just grab it, we paste it here, and if we call the variable, so there you have it too. For that reason, it is recommended to always declare variables at the top of their scope, the top of global code and the top of function code, so it's clear which variables are function scope local and which are resolved on the scope chain. It's important to point out that only variables declaration is hoisted, not its initialization. The initialization happens only when the assignment statement is reached. Until then, the variable remains undefined but declared. So here they give us this example. We have a function named do something inside of the curly braces. We're gonna cancel that log. Bar. We put semicolon, and now we have undefined because we don't know what bar is. After the semicolon, we're gonna have the var statement declaration, and we are gonna declare this variable named bar, and we're gonna assign it the number 111. We put semicolon here, and now we're gonna cancel that log, and now we know what we are cancel logging, and it's gonna be the variable bar, and the result has to be 111. So we can go to our dev tools, Ctrl L to clean it up, or just press this circle, and now we're gonna call we need to call the function first. So we're gonna call the function and then put parentheses at the end, and the result has to be 111, and there you have it. So here first we're gonna get the undefined, since we are cancelled that log bar, but we haven't used the var declaration first. We did it backwards here. That is the reason we're getting undefined here. This is implicitly understood as the function do something, name do something inside of the curly braces. Now we are declaring the variable bar, semicolon, but we haven't assigned it any value. So now we're trying to cancel that log bar, and then again we're gonna get undefined. After the semicolon, the variable bar, we assign it the number 111. Again we put semicolon, and now we're gonna cancel that log, the variable bar, and now the result has to be 111. So we copy this example, we go to the dev tools, Ctrl V, and now we're gonna call the function, and we do it with the name of the function, and at the end we put parentheses. And as you can see, cancel that log here is gonna get us undefined because we declared the variable bar, but we haven't assigned it any number or any string. And after that variable bar, we assigned it the 111, and after that we cancel that log, the variable bar. Okay, so now we have some examples here, declaring and initializing two variables. So here we have the variable, the var statement declaration. A is gonna be assigned 0, and the variable b is gonna be assigned the number 0. So assigning two variables with single string value, we have that the var statement declaration, we have the variable name a is gonna be assigned the string uppercase letter a. We end up with a semicolon, and now the var statement, we're gonna declare this variable name b, and we are gonna assign it the variable a. So we go to the DevTools, we clean it up here, we paste and copy, and now we have undefined here. But let's see what happens if we call the variable a. We have the string, we have the uppercase letter string, uppercase letter a. Now let's see what happens if instead of calling the variable a we call the variable b. So again, we have the string, the uppercase letter a. So this is equivalent to saying that the var statement declaration, we declare the variable a, comma, we declare the variable b, and it's gonna be assigned to the variable a, and the variable a is gonna be assigned to a string, and that string is gonna be the capital letter a, and then we end up with a semicolon. Be mindful of the order. The var statement declaration declares the variable name x that is gonna be assigned the variable name y, comma, now y is gonna be assigned the string uppercase letter a. We put semicolon, and now we're gonna try to cancel that log, the addition of the variable x plus the variable y, and we're gonna get undefined. But also we're gonna get this uppercase letter a, and this uppercase letter a is gonna be the string, this variable that y is assigned the variable string. I mean that y is assigned the string, the uppercase letter a. So we grab it here, we copy it, we go to our DevTools, and okay, see, we get undefined a. Here x and y are declared before any code is executed, but the assignments occur later. At the time the variable x is assigned to the variable y is evaluated, y exists, so no reference error is thrown, and its value is undefined. So the variable x is assigned the undefined value. Then the variable y is assigned the value of the string, the uppercase letter a. Consequently, after the first line, the variable x is equal to undefined, and the variable y is equal to the string, the uppercase letter a. Hence the result, undefined and then the uppercase letter a.